Hello and welcome to Fluidity 2 with me, your rope flow coach, Tim Sheep. In Fluidity 2, I'm going to guide you through some of the new wrinkles that have emerged from rope flow in the last few years. There have been evolutions to the matador, waterfall-like patterns, travelling turns and twists, funky flows, behind-the-back beauties, and a lot more, with some easy, some more challenging ones to add to your personal practice. Every 3 days, a new pattern or set of patterns will unlock for you to try. Each pattern will have a tutorial and a separate slow motion video for you to watch alongside it.
As well as that, there's a built-in community chat in order to discuss technique, ask me relevant questions about the course, post your form for feedback, or simply to share your progress with other cohorts. Or if you don't like apps, how about a raw, no-frills PDF instead?